going to work out to be a dry day with possibly a few more showers than was the case during today. Low pressure pushing its way up in over Ireland eventually gets there by Easter Tuesday. So I think that's probably the day when we see the heaviest outbreaks of rain across the country. After that, the low pressure begins to die away and dries out on Wednesday. And from Thursday onwards, the atmosphere kind of reverts to its normal circulation pattern when it gets there eventually by next weekend, the low pressure to the north this time and the high further south. There has been a reverse of that for quite a while now, and that's what brought the real warm temperatures of the past week. And we come back to the present, no change this evening, and then later tonight I think more general rain developing there in Ulster, maybe northwest or north parts of maybe the very far northwest as well. It'll be a cool night, but the easterly winds will continue to remain light. Then for tomorrow, Easter Monday, initially, as I say, quite cloudy and damp up here, but otherwise that'll clear away during the morning. There'll be a few showers through the day, but a few more than today, but often dry and cloudy, I think, again tomorrow. Temperature's much the same. It is getting cooler, and the winds still fairly light from the east. I'm back later. See you then.
Is he stuck?
You'll be blown away with what Aircom broadband can do for you. Find out more on aircom.ie. Slave to the King of Latin.
€10, please.
Okay.
Would you like to leave your cash in?
Yeah, thanks.
That's another €6.
What are you doing, Lucky?
Okay.
Opera.
Will you be dancing?